If you want to write in Base44, the process is actually much simpler than coding from scratch. Base44 is an AI-powered no-code app building platform, which means you do not write traditional code line by line. Instead, you write clear plain English prompts, and Base44 turns those instructions into a working web or mobile app, with the frontend, backend, and database included. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write in Base44 the right way, using simple prompts that the AI can understand and convert into an app. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Base44 and get to the main prompt area. This is where you will do all of your writing. Think of this box as your instructions panel. You are not writing code here, you are describing what you want the app to do in plain English. The best way to write in Base44 is to be clear, specific, and structured. Start by telling it what kind of app you want to build. For example, you could say you want a habit tracker, a customer dashboard, a booking app, or a simple task manager. The more specific you are, the better Base44 can understand your goal. Next, include the core features you want. Instead of saying make an app, say something like build a habit tracking app with user login, daily check-ins, progress charts, and a dashboard that shows completed habits. That gives Base44 enough detail to generate something useful. Then, add any important design or layout instructions. You can tell Base44 how you want the app to look, such as modern, clean, simple, mobile-friendly, or professional. You can also mention if you want buttons, forms, tables, navigation menus, or cards. This helps shape the front end. After that, describe the backend behavior. If your app needs users to sign up, save data, filter results, or update records, mention that in your prompt. Base44 can use that information to build the logic behind the scenes. You should also mention the database needs. If your app stores tasks, orders, messages, customer details, or appointments, tell Base44 exactly what data should be saved. For example, you can write, store the user's name, email, task title, due date, and completion status in the database. A good Base44 prompt usually follows a simple pattern. First, state the app idea. Second, list the features. Third, explain the design. Fourth, describe the data and logic. That is the easiest way to write prompts that get strong results. If the first version is not perfect, do not worry. Base44 works best when you refine your instructions. You can go back and say things like, make the dashboard more minimal, add a search bar, change the button colors, or improve the mobile layout. Short follow-up prompts like that help you improve the app step by step. One important tip is to avoid vague instructions. If you only say make it better, Base44 may not know what to improve. But if you say make the app easier to use on mobile and add a clearer navigation menu, the AI has something concrete to work with. So, to summarize, writing in Base44 means writing plain English prompts that describe your app idea, features, layout, and data requirements. That is how you guide the AI to build the app for you. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.